Good evening and welcome back to Database Lab. We are in experiment number 8 and the topic of today is application development using JDBC connectivity. And the lab exercise is develop a car booking system using Java and Oracle database that will provide the login page where you can update, create and delete records of customers, and then the booking page. Okay, so now some of this I outline most of these facilities in NetBeans. Okay, now using a JSwing J using a JFrame form. Okay, using a JFrame form you can create the login page. Okay, now how you do this, basically if you're using NetBeans you can just design this by yourself by dragging some of these swing controls to this design box. Okay, and the button, you drag button for this update. Okay, and the code generates automatically. Okay, so the only thing you need to change here is that first of you need to add um, a line for to connect. Okay, to connect your file, your Java or your JFrame form to your database, Oracle database, using this. Okay, driver manager.get connection. Okay, and then again you need to give whatever is in the text field 1 to first name, text field 2 to last name, text field 3 to username, and then a query to insert into your table cars. Okay, and then if you're a user, okay, if your name is in the database, it logs you in. Okay, so we are going to run this. If you run this, basically you see an outline of the J. Go, can give a name. Okay, okay, data are inserted, you can see. Okay, but this is not there. So now if you are looking at the booking page right now, what we are going to do is that we are going to try to connect our Java code, okay, to our Oracle database. You can remember that in the previous experiments, we have been using a database. Okay, some particular tables, especially the car booking table. So we are going to try to connect to the car booking table. Okay, connect this code to the car booking table. So let's see how we do that. Okay, first of all you import java.sql. This enables you to use SQL statements. Okay, then in your main function you have scanner. Okay, you have a prompt to the user to enter username of the database. You have the prompt to enter password of the database. Then you have a statement for to connect to the database. Okay, this is the database Oracle team at localhost. If you look at the services, you can see that Oracle team is running. You can see the tables. You can see all the tables are available here. Okay, so when you connect, you use a statement, you create a statement. Okay, if connection is valid, it prints a lot of things. You choose the function, you can choose to insert, modify or delete a record from booking or search the booking. Okay, and using the switch case you perform these functions. Okay, for insert you use the insertion SQL insert into car bookings. Okay, plus the values that are given. Okay, for modification update sets. Okay, for deleting delete from booking number. Okay, from search select booking. Okay, so when you do all this, then remember all this is an if statement. Okay, if condition, if else the connection dies or the connection failed, you print connection failed. Okay, you close the statement, you close the connection, and this one section bar. So now we are going to run this. If I run this, enter username, system, enter password. So choose the function, the functions appear. Okay, we have insert new booking, modify the booking, delete the record from booking. So I chose 1, insert a value, booking number 16. Okay, cost ID, let's say 102. Okay, car ID, oh I think I've made a mistake. My cost ID cannot be 102, so I'm going to close this and start afresh. So we enter username of database again. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. enter username of system. Okay, so enter password. So as I was saying, it brings out the options. Okay, I select one, insert a value, it lists the option for me: booking number, I give a thing, cost ID 1, car ID, let's say 103, booking date, let's say 2nd of April 2014, and return 3rd of April, because why not 2015, let's say 15, doesn't matter, and build successful. So note these values now. Okay, to verify that this has actually connected to my database, I will go to a familiar our commands. This is very familiar with all of you. Okay, and I do select star from car booking. Okay, when I do this and I run it, you can see 18 103 2 2nd April 14 3rd April 15. Exactly what is that? 18 103 2nd April 14 3rd April 15. So that is the 8th experiment. Thank you for joining me. See you later.